Members ng DDS,
Your personal civilian DDS, which you mentioned is apparently counterinsurgency force.
apparently, even if they exist, why would I tell you the names now to you? Ang tingin mo sa akin, stupido?
Mr. President, because we're in an investigation in aid of legislation and we're ruling out that if they are in
Mag-legislate kayo.
the drug war.
Huwag mo akong isali dyan because I would be putting the people in danger. Yung inyong legislation, mine is law and order. We are far apart in our discussion dito. Biro mo, bigay mo yung pangalan mo, you put the family and the persons in danger.
Mr.
But
President,
the proper question, kung ganon.
Can you please rephrase your question, Congressman Gutierrez?
Mr. President, with all due respect, the question of identifying these members was to really look into the purpose because we're trying to differentiate now those that are within the bounds of law and those that are without in relation to the drug war.
I'm sure that it within bounds of the law. And I take full responsibility. Huwag ka na maghanap ng iba. Ano yung 7-7 mo, dito ka na lang tutok sa akin. Ilan ko pang beses sabihin sa inyo, I take full responsibility. If you think that it is illegal or wrong, go ahead and file a case. I would be happy.
Thought of actually facing the International Criminal Court instead of withdrawing? Had it ever crossed your mind back then?
Sir, hindi ako believe sa puti. I would rather face a Filipino. Maski ako, wala akong abogado. Ako lang. And he can sentence me to death or to reclusion perpetua. Basta korte ng Pilipino, I will abide by it. I will not allow a foreigner to judge me for the things that I had to do during my time as President of the Republic.
So you trust the Filipino courts more than the ICC?
Of course, sir. Of course, and they can have the special prosecutor or whatever. Sila na ang mamili. The administration, kung sino man na nandyan, will have a choice of what prosecutors, kung anong tawagin nila, to create a special court. Wala akong problema, sir. Congress can do it. They can enact a law creating a special, and they can go back to the so-called crimes that I committed, and I will willingly submit. Pag sinintensyahan ako ng korte, sir, ng Pilipinas, okay ako. Even if it is really against my freedom.
Some of the Filipinos who went to the ICC, I think maybe one of the reasons why they went there instead of going to our domestic courts was maybe they were concerned that they could not get the same justice here in the Philippines as they could in the International Criminal Court. How would you reconcile that with your belief?
Then they don't deserve to be Filipinos residing here. They're better off where they think that the courts are good for them. Hindi ako mag-surrender ng foreign court, sir. Never. I will not allow myself to take to place under jurisdiction of any court. Pilipino ako, mamatay ako ng Pilipino, makulong ako ng Pilipino,